In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove hyperlink in WPS Office Mobile. Hyperlinks are helpful when you want to direct readers to websites or other resources, but there are times when you simply need clean, plain text. This is especially important when editing documents for printing, sharing, or formal use, where clickable links are no longer necessary. To begin, open your document in WPS Office Mobile and locate the text that contains the hyperlink you want to remove. Carefully highlight or select the linked text. Make sure the hyperlink itself is selected and not just the surrounding words, because the option to remove it only appears when the link is properly highlighted. Once the hyperlink is selected, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and tap the icon to open additional options. This icon gives you access to editing tools that are not immediately visible on the main screen. After tapping it, tap Insert to open more features related to content and formatting. Inside the Insert menu, look for the option labeled Hyperlink. Tap on Hyperlink to open the link settings for the selected text. This section shows information related to the link that is currently applied. From here, you will see the option to Delete Hyperlink. Tap Delete Hyperlink and the link will be removed instantly. The text will remain in your document exactly where it was, but it will no longer be clickable or linked to anything. After removing the hyperlink, take a moment to review the text. You will notice that it now behaves like normal text, which means it will no longer redirect when tapped. This makes your document cleaner and easier to read, especially if the link is no longer relevant or needed. This method works best when you are removing hyperlinks one at a time, giving you full control over which links stay and which ones are removed. It is a simple and efficient way to clean up your document without affecting the rest of your content or formatting. If you are editing longer documents, it is a good habit to scan through your text and remove unnecessary hyperlinks before finalizing your file. Doing this helps ensure consistency and keeps your document looking polished and professional. Once you are finished removing the hyperlink, you can continue editing your document as usual. The changes are applied immediately, so there is no need for additional confirmation. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.